OpenAI just launched GPT-5, and here's everything you need to know about this announcement. First, let's talk about the unified system. Unlike previous versions where you had to manually switch between different models, GPT-5 uses a smart real-time router that automatically decides when it needs to think harder with advanced reasoning or breeze through simple tasks quickly. It seamlessly blends reasoning power with versatility. They have also improved the prompt adherence. You no longer need to write complex, detailed prompts to get the answers you want. It now understands what you're looking for with basic, simple prompts and delivers exactly what you need. And it's available to everyone from today. Free users, Plus, Pro, Team, all get access as it rolls out. Free users get 10 messages every 5 hours. Plus users get 80 messages every 3 hours, while Pro and Team users enjoy unlimited access. Enterprise and educational plans are rolling out next week. Now, let's be real about the performance. It's impressive, but not revolutionary. Sam Altman tweeted, "They could release much smarter models, but GPT-5 focuses on real-world utility and mass accessibility over raw intelligence." Now, the coding capabilities are where GPT-5 truly dominates. It crushed the SWE verified benchmark, setting a new record with 74.9% accuracy. This is huge because SWE bench verified was the singular benchmark Anthropic used to claim their 4.1 opus was the frontier model in software engineering. It can create interactive applications, games, and websites from single prompt. But the context window remains small at hundreds of thousands of tokens, while competitors like Gemini handle nearly 2 million tokens. The model uses a new safe completion safety paradigm that focuses on output safety rather than making snap judgments about user intent. The model now focuses on crafting responses that are inherently safe. This means you'll get helpful, educational information even on sensitive topics, but delivered in a way that maintains safety boundaries. Advanced voice mode is available to all users with significantly higher usage limits. Free users get several hours daily, while Plus users get nearly unlimited access. Study mode transforms ChatGPT into an interactive tutor. Instead of giving direct answers, it guides you with questions and hints. One more thing they emphasized on was health queries. GPT-5 scored higher than previous models on HealthBench and can act as a more informed health advisor, though it's not a replacement for professional medical advice. Integration with your digital life is finally here. Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Contacts integration hits Pro users next week. They also said they have used synthetic data generated by their O3 model to train GPT-5, creating the right kind of data shaped to teach rather than just fill space. This recursive self-improvement approach could solve AI development's data scarcity problem. Sam Altman emphasized that GPT-5 focuses on benefiting over 1 billion people with real-world utility rather than just raw intelligence metrics. With its unified system, strong coding abilities, natural voice interactions, personalized experience, and seamless integration. The bottom line, GPT-5 excels in practical applications, especially coding and everyday tasks, while remaining accessible to everyone. However, it's not the AGI breakthrough some hoped for, and it has clear limitations in context size. This is the most practical and accessible AI we've ever seen, even if it's not the smartest possible model OpenAI could release. If you found this breakdown valuable and want to get the most out of GPT-5, make sure to subscribe because we'll be diving deeper into some mind-blowing applications of this technology. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.